Reading Ron's Read Alouds by teacher and entertainer Ron Albanese.
Hi everyone, it's me, Ron Albanese, reading Ron and rockin' Ron too! It's time for another read aloud, and today we have The Leaf Thief. So, I am protecting all the plants around here with leaves. Leaf Thief, if you're listening, you better leave right now and leave my leaves alone. The Leaf Thief. What a wonderful time of year. I am snug in my nest with a belly full of hazelnuts, and the sun is shining through my leafy canopy. Such lovely colors. Red, gold, orange, red, gold, orange, red, gold. Wait a minute. One of my leaves is missing. Where is it? It's not in here. It's not under here. Bird! What is the matter? Someone stole my leaf. Your leaf? Yes, one of my leaves is missing. My leaf looked a lot like that one. The one Mouse has. That is not your leaf, Squirrel. But how can you be sure? Mouse? Mouse! Did you steal my leaf? No. This is my boat. See, Squirrel? It is perfectly normal to lose a leaf or two at this time of year, okay? Okay, thanks, Bird. See you tomorrow. The next morning, oh no, this is bad. Bird! What is the matter this time? More leaves have been stolen. Excuse me, Woodpecker, are those my leaves? No, they are my leaves, Squirrel. I spent ages collecting them. No one is taking your leaves, Squirrel. This happened last year, remember? Maybe. Why don't you go back to your nest and try to relax? Okay, thanks, Bird. Try to relax. Breathe in and out. Just relax. The following morning, this is a disaster! Bird! Bird! Where are you, Bird? I'm here, Squirrel. Wait a minute. Are you the leaf thief? No, Squirrel. I am not the leaf thief. I will show you the leaf thief. Where are they? Because I've got a few things I'd like to say to them. Look around you. The leaf thief is everywhere. It shakes the trees and rustles the leaves. It even takes your hat. Do you see the leaf thief, Squirrel? The only thief is the wind. This happens every year in the autumn. Every year. The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away. They'll grow back again in the spring. Now, I'm going home. Please don't disturb me again. It was just the wind. The leaves change colors and the wind blows them away. Of course. No leaf thief at all. Silly me. I'm going to sleep well tonight. The next morning, Bird! Someone has stolen the grass! Everybody sing, oh, now sing ah, come on and sing ee. Oh, hi there, everyone. It's me, Ron Albanese, reading Ron, but did you also know I am writing Ron? That's right. My first book, The Aloud Bird, is now available on Amazon. Yes, The Aloud Bird. It's a story of making friends and musical fun. And speaking of music, it also has its own theme song and video. Check it out. Oh, awesome.
This is so much fun.
The Aloud Bird on my YouTube channel, Ron Albanese's Teaching Tunes. The Aloud Bird book on Amazon. Hi everyone, it's me, Ron Albanese, reading Ron, and it's time for another Read Aloud. This time it's kindergarten. Here I come. Hi everyone, it's me, Ron Albanese, and I want to let you know that my YouTube channel, Teaching Tunes, has lots and lots and lots of Read Alouds.
Super cool read aloud, songs, videos, and more. Ron Albanese's Teaching Tunes.